कुकिंग चॅनल सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हणजे कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर मानता तुमी सगळी बरी आसली सावूल आनी भलायकीन. So today I'm going to show you a quick recipe of how to make squids Goan style and my style. So for that we need some squid. So this is half kg of Mankeos we call in Konkani, squids in English or calamari. So I have washed it nicely, cleaned it nicely, and they are whole. Okay, so let's add salt, like salt or normal salt to taste. Then we add some Goan Sambhar masala powder. Going to Samaracho Pitto. So that I am adding around 2 teaspoons. Then we add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you don't have Goan Sambhar masala powder, then you can add any masala which you have. Then this is around 3 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. So Kashmiri red chili powder is non-spicy one. Then we add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Then we have around 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Then we add some turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and half teaspoon of cumin powder. So this all goes in this. Squeeze some lime over it. So half lime I have taken. And we will drizzle some oil on top. So around 1 tablespoon, very less oil. So 1 tablespoon of oil. So drizzle a little bit. That's it. Now we'll mix this all nicely and we'll cook. So this is the quick way recipe of Mankeos. See that it goes nicely all inside this. And we cook this for until you get a sound thup thup from that. I will show you, and it's done. So just cover, no adding water, cover, and we'll cook this for around 10 minutes. In 10 minutes it should be done. High flame. And now we'll mix all this. Check the salt. Now I will make it low flame. So let it get cooked in a low flame for 5 minutes. 5 minutes high flame, 5 minutes low flame. Let's check. Yummy. So now, because I want the masalas which are raw has to be cooked nicely. And here it is, nicely yummy, delicious, quick calamari is ready and done. Garnish it with some coriander leaf and it's over. So we'll keep it open for a few minutes and we'll put off the gas. So as soon as you get like this sound, it's done. See here. So this is how it is ready. Enjoy. And you get that aroma of nicely getting fried. Thank you. Devore karo.
And here it is, lovely Goan Squids Masala fry.